My name is Jose Rivera. I work at Mayor Ford in Avon Lake. As far as drums and as far as disc brakes, is how to be more efficient, double checking the work, making sure that the right hardware is lubed up the proper way, cleaned up the proper way for safety issues, and it's more efficient, and little tricks here and there on how to be better at doing the brake jobs. Um, Mainly, my takeaway is, try to be more attentive of how you do your work, so that way it doesn't come back, or there's no safety hazards as far as clients' vehicles. I'd like to thank Ray, Tom, and the other Tom for sending me here. I actually learned a lot. I'm very appreciative of investing in me and myself, and trying to get further on into this career.